Everyone wants to be wealthy. But most people have no idea how wealth is actually built. Wealth is built using a proven formula, something I call the wealth triangle. It's simple, powerful, and if you apply it, it can completely change your life. Let's break it down. 1. Skill, your income engine. The first side of the wealth triangle is skill, specifically, a high-income skill. This is your income engine. Without this, there's nothing to build on. We're not talking about just any skill. You need something that the market values, skills like copywriting, digital marketing, coding, video editing, public speaking, or even sales. These are skills you can learn for free online, and they can earn you $1,000 to $10,000 a month once you get good. If you're starting from zero, your skill is your asset. It's your product. Learn it, refine it, and sell it. That's your first step toward wealth. 2. Leverage, multiply your effort. Now that you've built a valuable skill, the second side of the triangle is leverage. This is how you stop trading time for money, and start multiplying your output. There are 3 types of leverage. People, hire or collaborate with others to scale your output. Media, create content, courses, digital products, or write online. Code/tools, use software or AI to automate and scale tasks. Think of it this way, your skill is the seed, but leverage is how you plant it across thousands of fields. This is where real income growth happens, fast. 3. Capital, let money work for you. The third and final side of the triangle is capital. This is where your money starts making money. Once you're earning and leveraging, you need to manage and grow your income, smartly. Buy tools that save time. Upskill further. Start a business. Or invest in stocks, index funds, or real estate. The goal is freedom. And capital is the part of the triangle that gives it to you. And if you want more real-world money frameworks like this, subscribe to the Wealth Forum.